What's going on, guys? Tony Avanov here with another video. Today's not going to be a video lesson because unfortunately my eTrade Pro isn't loading, so we're not going to be able to make any videos on that. I'm just going to talk about the cryptocurrencies real fast, mainly Ethereum, and I also want to give away $25 because we just broke 2,500 subscribers. Thank you all so much for watching my videos. I truly do appreciate it. It's crazy to think that I just started doing this back in, I think it was August, September. I was at zero subscribers, and I've been able to grow this much. It's not much, it's not fast, but you know, it's truly an accomplishment to be able to grow this much, and I really just have to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos. I'm glad that I'm able to help you guys become profitable day traders, and you know, just give you guys valuable content that you guys really can benefit from. So just thank you all so much. So just gonna talk about Ethereum real fast. My looks on Ethereum. I said this in the last video, but I do believe Ethereum is gonna have a pretty sharp pullback down into the 1,000 maybe 900 area, just because of the daily chart. That's all I'm judging this on. You can see on the daily chart the Bollinger Bands are super expanded, and we finally do have this red candle forming, a nice hammer forming actually, if it holds this price for the next 24 hours or so. Looking at the stochastics, it's just about to cross over now. I know I said this in yesterday's video lesson, and it did go higher, but not by much. So I do fully expect this to curl back down and find support on this middle Bollinger Band as it did the last time. So that would probably be in the 900s, maybe 1,000 area or so. Main reason why I'm saying this is because you can see every single time the stochastics was overbought and started to cross over, it did have a pullback, and at all those same times the price was at the top of the Bollinger Bands. So you know, patterns repeat over and over again. It's just a cycle. It runs up, it dips, runs up, and dips. So I actually exited my position on Ethereum. I'm holding USDT right now, just waiting until we have a nice drop so I can buy back in and start trading again. Now, you know, I could use my Ethereum right now and keep on trading, but I didn't really have any time today to trade because I was busy with family stuff. So I just wanted to, you know, take my profits out of Ethereum and let it recorrect for the next few days. We've been green 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 days in a row now, and this just turned into a green candle, so it might even be 11. This could go higher, but it's definitely going to pull back at one point or another, and I will be there ready to buy the dip once the stochastics are down back in the 20s. So that is my short-term look on Ethereum. Let's look at the 4-hour chart. See, so on the 4-hour chart, it actually is not as overbought because we had this huge dip down to 910, which I unfortunately didn't buy into. But the 6-hour chart, I think, isn't really overbought. But you know, the daily chart is what a lot of people who long-term hold crypto look at, especially the big three, like, you know, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. So within the next 5-6 days, I do expect this to be down in the 1,000s, low 1,000, because it cannot sustain these prices for much longer. So that's my short-term look on Ethereum. I could be wrong. You're never 100% right, but you know, locked in my profits. I've been holding Ethereum ever since the 300s, so I'm up a pretty good amount. So with that being said, let me just get the random comment picker up. Let me load up yesterday's video lesson and give away that 25 bucks. So give me 1 second. Let me pull up the URL. This video is going to be faster because I do have to run to dinner. So not going to be a long video. Just wanted to you know, give away this money because you guys have supported me so much. So you know, I feel like even though my eTrade Pro isn't loading, I cannot skip today's video lesson because we broke a huge milestone. So 31 commenters, thank you all so much for commenting, and let's see who won it. So let's do a thing. Now if you're new to my channel, all you need to do to win this $25 is leave a like, leave a subscription, and leave a comment down below, and you will be entered to win this raffle. So Matt Damewold, you're actually one of my mentorship students, so you know you're gonna get a return on your investment already. I will contact you on Discord to just make sure that we have the same PayPal email address on file, and I'll send you your 25 bucks. So thank you all so much. Thank you, Matt. I'm glad that you were able to make some money back from your investment already. So yeah, I'm gonna send that over after this video is up, and that's gonna be the end of this video. Very short video today, not much to talk about. I wish I could talk about PTIE and its huge run. See, login failed. It's been doing this all day. Tried logging in, didn't work. So now with Ethereum, like I said, I do expect this to pull back pretty soon here. 1 minute chart is it's making lower highs. If it holds this resistance at 1,300, then I do expect it to have one more drop and go lower. So that's it for today. Very short video. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick little lesson, I guess you could call it. Once again, thank you all so much for watching my videos. I really do appreciate it a bunch, and hopefully I can make a video lesson tomorrow. I'm gonna try to make 2 tomorrow, because I really want to recap PTIE's run today, where it went from the 5s to 12s. So I really hope that I can do that tomorrow. So stay tuned for that, and yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow.